Alright y'all, so I made it in the mall and I'm heading to go to Tory Burch, and yeah, I'm super excited. I hope they have what I really want, so we will see. No problem. Take your time. This is adorable. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're fluffy?
Yes.
Love that.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's right here. In yellow. Why did I think we just found on the sale rack? Like my mom or my grandma? Which
This is so cute. Matches my nails. Like these.
Just be careful what you're saying.
Careful, she's shopping.
We just do what we do. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, my love, my.
All right, guys, let's take a poll. Which light pink bag should I get? This one? This one has like the little curve, or this one is just like a plain rectangle with a chain. I like this one for the shape. It's definitely unique. I wish this flap was a little bit longer right here, but this one is just like an overall classic bag. I don't know, but I'm definitely getting a pink bag today. I just don't know which style. This or this. Which one would you get? Comment below. This is the real color, pink. We'll see by the end of the video which one I end up getting, but I definitely want to get a pink one. So let me try them on. This one's so cute. This is so cute. Okay. This pink. This one is so cute too. Oh, I'm torn. This I can get in any color, this style.
He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without her.
We got these two sides.
Really? Okay.
I mean, the 9.5 doesn't look bad.
Does it? It's okay, I'll wait.
I can text you when we get.
Yeah, I'll wait it out. It's not like emergency.
Oh, yeah. And these are excluded anyways. The pink
Right,
ones.
that's what I'm saying. It's not emergency. I kind
So
of
when we restock in a 9, I'll text you.
Please.
Of course. And then.
This is a really nice color. I can wait.
Oh, I can do it. You're good.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know what I'm doing.
You're good.
I think I'm gonna do. What is the shape called?
The crescent?
Crescent.
You want to do the crescent one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm for sure doing that.
Yeah, it's so unique.
None of the sunnies are on.
All the sunglasses are part of it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go back over
I'm gonna
there.
go look for you and
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away?
I might do these two. I like the.
Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby,
I don't want to spend your dime on anything. Do you want to hold on to your receipt or put it in the bag?
You put it back. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I know. They're both statement. No, yes, this is like really.
It's so different.
Yeah.
Oh, you saw she got this one.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna do my unboxing as soon as I get home.
He's making it all pretty for you.
Thank you. Oh, put that on the vlog. Thank you.
Text me if you need anything.
Thank you so much. Look at that bag.
The size 9 comes in.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh yes, it's so beautiful. Thank you. You should have in my bag. Alright y'all, I'm about to go into Gucci real quick and see what they got up in here. Obviously I can't record in there, so I'll just talk to y'all on the call. You guys. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright, I gotta go. I'm gonna try to get in this car as soon as possible and then we'll talk. Alright y'all, so I bought a Gucci bag. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just did it. But you know what? I've been doing my research for a very long time. And the bag I actually thought I really wanted, I ended up not getting. Which I think you guys may have seen in a few vlogs past. I thought I was gonna get that bag, but I actually didn't end up getting it. I just felt like, you know what, if I'm gonna get a bag for the first time, I want it to be something that doesn't look so similar to something I already have. That way, like, I can appreciate the style and everything about it more. So that's what I ended up doing. Yes, I still got black because that's the first color that I think of when I think of Gucci anyways, for me. Because again, I had that Gucci belt that I bought a few months back, but this is my Tory Burch bag, and I wanted to get something that was a little bit different in style. So you guys will see that in the unboxing portion of this video, which will happen later on when I get home. But yeah, so I got bags on bags on bags, which is fine because like I said, I told myself I wanted to start collecting really nice pieces this year. So I'm gonna be getting rid of like my Burlington bags, give those away to my sisters, my friends, and I want to just collect pieces, like things that are statements that I invest in and that could easily turn into something that I could eventually sell if I didn't want it anymore. You know, like, it's gonna be harder to sell a Burlington bag than it is a Gucci bag. So I'm gonna get my money's worth, and I don't plan on selling anything that I buy that's worth a lot of money, only because that's the reason I bought it, is because I want things of worth. And so obviously do not buy it. Don't y'all go buying stuff if you cannot afford them. You know what I'm saying? So obviously my finances are perfectly like normal right now, so I have time and I have I have resources to pay all my bills and everything. Everything's paid for. We got food in the house, you know what I'm saying? We just grocery shopped last night for $200 for one person. But, you know, I'm not complaining because thank God that we are able to afford that. So I'm just glad that I'm in this new space of life where I'm able to afford these things that I really, 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 really want. Like, what's the point in working so hard if you're not going to buy things you want? So I'm super excited. I'm pumped, and stay tuned for the unboxing of just all these items in general. Like, there's quite a few things to unbox here. I have 3 perfumes to unbox when I get home. I have 3 bags, 3 perfumes, 3 bags to unbox, and I'm super excited. I need to buy the purse rack things that I want from Amazon. Anyways, let's go. I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna go make myself some lunch and then get started on all this unboxing. It's 2:30. I haven't been out for that long, so it's pretty nice. But I'm so excited. Work hard, play hard. Look at her, just sitting there. I like my Tory, I like my Gucci, period.